Ever wondered how to make the perfect souffle? You're not alone. It's a question that baffles many. Today we'll unravel the mystery, exploring the quality of ingredients, precise measurements, whisking technique, oven temperature, and timing. Ready to master the art of the perfect souffle? Let's dive in. First things first, the quality of your ingredients can make or break your souffle. Fresh eggs, high-quality cheese, and other ingredients are non-negotiable. And a little insider tip: room temperature ingredients yield the best results. Remember, good quality fresh ingredients are the foundation of a perfect souffle. When it comes to souffle, precision is key. Each ingredient holds its weight, contributing to the delicate balance of flavors and textures. A dash too much or too little can tip the scales, affecting the final result. So always measure accurately to ensure the balance of flavors and textures in your souffle. Getting the perfect rise in your souffle involves mastering two crucial aspects: whisking and temperature control. Whisking your egg whites to just the right consistency is an art form. Not too firm, not too soft, but just right to hold the air that makes your souffle rise. And let's not forget temperature control. A properly preheated oven is essential for that beautifully puffed up souffle. So, perfect your whisking skills and always preheat your oven for the best results. Last but not least, remember that timing is everything. The perfect souffle is a delightful dance between precision and patience. Underbaking or overbaking can drastically alter its mouthwatering texture and taste. Keep an eye on the clock to ensure your souffle is perfectly cooked. And there you have it, the top 5 tips for achieving the perfect souffle. From sourcing the finest ingredients to mastering the art of precise measurements, learning the delicate dance of whisking, and knowing your oven's temperament. And of course, timing, the silent ingredient that can make or break your souffle. All these elements come together to create a culinary masterpiece. So why not give it a try? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more culinary tips and tricks.